Hey YouTube, thank you guys for tuning in. It's the real city girl, period. But you already knew that. That's why you tuned in. Okay, let's be real. So anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys what I have packed in my bag because I am flying out tomorrow to get my BBL by Dr. Henneberg. So I just want to show you guys what I packed in my bag. I am staying at a recovery house, so this is not all the stuff that you need to go to Miami to get a BBL. But if you are staying in a recovery house, this is what you need. I think I have everything. We're gonna see when I get there because I really don't know. So I'm just gonna start off with the clothes, I guess. So what I packed was a house robe, like, you know, I guess what they call it, a bathrobe. I packed a bathrobe. I got a size large because I want it to be big when I go. I usually wear medium, but I got everything a size up or 2 sizes up. So I got the bathrobe because they said you need this for after surgery when you're like, when they put you in your faja, they're going to put you in your bathrobe and wheel you out. So definitely need a bathrobe for sure. Child, look at this shit. These dresses might be even more, this is a 3X. So I just bought these dresses because they were like majorly on sale. Like this dress, for instance, was $4.99. So if they only had a 3X and a $4.99, then 3X it is because it's only $5. So I packed 3 of these dresses, 3 big dresses. And I also packed to go home in. I got a 2-piece from Rainbow. This is like some sweatpants and a jacket. The sweatpants are extra large. I got the biggest size they had. So the sweatpants are extra large. I usually wear a medium. So that should be big enough. That's 2 sizes big. And then I got a large in the jacket just because. I also packed an assortment of camis. I got like 5. Because I know you're supposed to wear the camis under the faja. I'm not staying that long. I'm only staying 3 days. Like, well, I have pre-op day, surgery day, and then 3 days after surgery. So I'm only staying 3 days after surgery, but I just brought extra camis just in case. So that's all for the clothes that I got. Because I mean, like I said, I'm only going to be wearing dresses and then something to come home in. So that's all the clothes that I had packed. But as far as other things, I have some diapers. I got these in a size large. Like I said, I ordered everything. Well, I got these from Walmart. But I got everything in a size up or 2 sizes up. So this is a size large. Large diapers for after surgery. All the fluid. And also a lot of dolls say they be peeing on themselves. So, you know. I'm bringing my liquid iron, which I have SS Tonic. I think they tell you to get Hemoplex or Floridix. They're all the same thing, but Floridix was sold out on Amazon, so I had to get the SS Tonic. So make sure you bring your liquid iron. And then I got some soap. Regular Dove soap, sensitive skin. So shoes. They tell you to bring like plastic slides because, you know, the fluid and stuff. So I got me some Crocs. I love these, the camo. I love these. Then I got me some fake Yeezy slides off Ego. So I think these are both kind of stylish, even though I'm going to be wearing big dresses. That's ugly, but these are kind of stylish. So check me out, poo, period. So I have some cortisone 10, which that is for the itching because, and I got some Benadryl gel. So these 2 are for the itching because they say that like once you get a BBL, you itch really bad. So I got some cream and a gel to like rub my body down before I put my faja on for the itching. Then I also just got some toothpaste and mouthwash. Oh, and I also got some Vaseline chapstick. You know what? I'm gonna put this in my purse right now. Gonna put that in my purse right now. I probably need that on the plane, child. My recovery house told me to bring something like lotion. So I got some Cetaphil cream because my skin probably gonna be really dry. So I just got some Cetaphil cream, which I already had this. I did not buy this. I already had this. My recovery house was like, bring some lotion for your elbows and shit. So I have so many pairs of compression socks. So compression socks are mandatory. You have to wear them for like 2 weeks, I believe, after surgery because you don't want to get blood clots. And compression socks are very important to me as well because my mom, she actually passed away due to blood clots. So I got 6 pairs. This is only 4 in my hand. So I actually got 6 pairs of compression socks so I can make sure, because I'm not playing with y'all ass, period. These are my boards and foams, which the BBL, most BBL packages come with boards and foams, but a lot of people tell me that like the boards and foams that it come with just be so trash that you're not going to want to use them. So I got my own as well. So I'll use theirs when I'm there, but I'm bringing my own as well just in case. So these are the lipo foams. I got most of this stuff off Amazon. Like damn near everything I got was on Amazon. This is my back board and this is my front board. So when I do a compression video, then I'll show you guys what these look like and how I use them. But I don't want to show y'all because you'll just be looking at a board just like how I just look at a board. But when I do a compression video, then I'll show you guys what works best. So I actually got hibiclens as well, which this is like a special soap that you're supposed to clean with before getting a BBL, just so your skin is sanitary. And then I'm guessing like after you get your BBL, when they be doing all the fluid pushing after your surgery, you want to clean with this. So I got some hibiclens, and I also got a female urinal. So this is my female urinal. I heard that this is vital. Make sure you get one. I'm also bringing these are laxatives. So I actually had these a year ago when but they don't expire till October. But I actually got these a year ago when I got my boobs done. Like when you have surgery, it makes you constipated. So the recovery house actually said that they have stool softeners, but I'm just gonna bring these 2 just in case, you know, because not all laxatives work for everybody. So I know for a fact these work for me. So I'm just gonna bring them just in case, you know, just in case I need them. If I don't need them, bring them home. And then lastly, I just have a couple of cough drops. Like these are this is my home pack. So it's not that many in here, but I just have a couple of cough drops because I know that once they put that tube in your throat, that shit hurt. Your throat be hurting and shit, real dry and shit. So you have to feel me. I just got some cough drops just in case the recovery house don't have none, but I think they do have some. I then had this neck pillow, and I also have this pillow. I got this from Walmart today. It's called a travel pillow, but I'm gonna use it, I guess, for traveling. Yeah, I'm gonna use it on my back when I'm coming home and I have to sell my BBL pillow. I'm gonna use this for my back, and then I have my neck. So I'll be, you feel me? I'll be very much comfortable on the ride home because I know it's very uncomfortable. But that is all of the things that I packed just so that I can, you know, stay in my recovery house. So I'm leaving tomorrow, which will be pre-op day. The next day I have surgery, and then I'm staying. So Wednesday, tomorrow is Tuesday, that's pre-op day. Wednesday is surgery day. I'm staying Thursday, Friday, and Saturday post-op. Sunday morning, I'm going home. So I'm really excited. I'm nervous as fuck for the pain, but I'm really excited. Like, and I know that everything's gonna turn out well. I'm just scared for the pain. But yeah, this is all that I packed to stay in a recovery house. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, follow all my social media. Make sure you also follow my surgery page, which I'll have that down below as well. Follow all of my social media. Subscribe to me on YouTube and tune the fuck in. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, y'all.